Hey, what's up, y'all? Back at another day of trading. Week almost over with. Yeah, almost over with. Let's finish up strong. Happy Thursday to you. See what's going on in this market. Number one, subscribe to my channel for daily live updates. Number two, hit the like button. Number three, watch my recent videos. Giving y'all a game free. All I ask is for y'all to subscribe to my channel. Trying to get my first 1,000 subscribers. Give your brother a helping hand. All right, let's go. Buying power. Well, my portfolio is at $45,944.21. Buying power, $3,212.84. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin holding up good, holding up strong, $43,836.10, up 205 or $208.27. Today, that's 0.47%. I am still up. I took some profits, not last week, the week before. I don't have a lot, but I'm up 122.43%, which is $122.20. And my average cost is at $19,714.60. Excuse me. I might start going back and flipping some Bitcoin. I don't know, man. I'm kind of in a good place in my portfolio with dividends. Also, if you need my helping hand, www.patreon.com/thoughtswithgroove. www.patreon.com/thoughtswithgroove. Let's build a portfolio together. All right, let's see what the market doing. I'm just pointing out some things I got to get right. And my portfolio market looking bullish on yesterday. Ended up having a pull back, but in my cash out portfolio MPW, I brought some at I brought $150 worth at $4.93. And after I brought it, I put a sale order in at $5 even. It brought it at the 150, and it on yesterday, and it just triggered it the sale order at the $5. It was like 30 shares I brought and 29.99 shares I sold, but it lowered my average cost. Right now over there, I got 413 shares at an average cost of it took it down to $5.33. I just put another buy order in at $4.85 for $150 worth. If that triggers, once it triggers, if it goes down to it again, cause two days low is $4.85. I'ma sell that at like $4.90, probably at $5. Make a little 15 cent a share profit. But my main point of doing this to lower my average cost. As you can see in this portfolio here, I got one at $4.25. I had one at $4.50 too. I thought $4.05. Don't tell me my I know that $4.50 ain't trigger. December 13, $4.50. That's on the third. It did trigger on the 13th. I didn't know. But at $4.50, I would have sold it, but I'ma hold on to that. I'm gonna do a $4.80 on this one, just to show y'all what I'm talking about. Sorry to go on the rant, man, but y'all need to know how to lower y'all average costs and stuff. I'm sorry. $4.80. Just to say, boom, right there. Now I do 20 shares, right? $96. Just to show you. So once that trigger, I sell them 20 shares for $5, just trying to lower my average cost. I didn't want to do it in both portfolios. I want to knock one of them out at a time. Like this one, I'm gonna hit another $4.50 just in case it goes. Do another 25 shares. Said $4.50. Usually I sell it, but at that price I might just keep it. But we're gonna see. Alright, let's get on with it, man. Sorry I went on a little rant. But some of these things y'all gotta know if y'all trying to be, I ain't calling myself no professional trader, but I've been trading the last going on 4 years. I've been in through it since COVID had hit, since 2020. So I seen the real ups and downs of the market, and I'm still here. So yeah. So for y'all that are scared and are beginner traders and need a little help, www.patreon.com/stocks with Groove. I'll be there to give you a helping hand, man. Like I said, I done seen some ups and downs of this market, man. From COVID to war in Russia to stagflation to inflation to whatever all them other viruses came out to my ups and downs, beating after beating after beating. I done seen it, bro. And I learned a whole lot through it. When I came in investing in the market, I didn't have no mentor. I didn't have nobody to teach me anything, man. I got straight beat up, and I'm talking about thousands of dollars. I'm talking about 5 figures of thousands of dollars, man. And I tell you, I got my butt whooped. Trying to keep it clean on here. But bro, I got tore up, bro. Just to tell you, I learned a whole lot. And I lost a lot of money, and I made a lot of money. Um, but everything looking good, bouncing back now, especially with the dividends. I got my account not my account, but my portfolio the way I want it, the way I don't even invest no more new fresh powder in it. That's another one I'm getting too. Sorry, man. Getting off topic. Wendy's 1969. My average call 1973. I'm gonna be dollar call averaging down more on Wendy's too, man. I got them in my cash out portfolio also. And this ticker here, IP. I mean to point that out to y'all. International paper. When that goes down some more, I'm a dollar cost average into that. If it ever have a pullback, and I need to lower my average cost in Legland and Platt too. I need to come on. Cause man, I got my butt whipped in them, man. I mean, talking about kept on dropping. They kept on dropping, man. My average cost $36.39. It's at $26 with a 52-week low of what that is, $22.50. So you talking about a $14 difference it dropped, man. Also with this one here with NewTek. And I tell y'all, I got whooped, man. I got whooped. But now my portfolio to where I get at least like $800 something in dividends every month. So I'm just dollar cost averaging. That's why you see me buying these little petty little $3 worth a day. But I'm just stretching the funds out. But like I say, I don't have to put no fresh powder in unless it's something like a DHS or SCHD, a real good and ETF that I really like and want to get into, like a SCHD, DHS, HDB, VYM, something like that. You know what I'm saying? Or like a VTI or a VOO. Then I come out, the pocket with some fresh cash. But all of those, the ETFs I just named, those they'll be buying whole stocks. Like buying whole, I ain't never selling until they go up. go up good. But you know, I buy those and don't even worry about the loss. They keep on dipping. I just keep on buying, cause I know the ETFs I just named, all those will bounce back, and they got a proven history of bouncing back. So when those going down, I'm really not mad. I'm really happy because I can go in and buy more. And then you talking about time 2030 hit, man. Man, I be paid. I mean, good. Ain't I done, collect the dividend just for holding it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Charge point is another one. I'm just I bought $3 of this earlier. I just buy $3 worth a day. Um, it's like a little more than a share a day. As you can see, I got 173 shares in this. In my other portfolio, I got about 200 shares with an average cost of $1.91. With this one, last week I brought. Actually, my average cost was in the $5, like $5.48. I brought like 300 or 400 shares at $2. Excuse me, I brought some at just to show you how to lower your average cost, man. Y'all need to learn this. Like, pay attention to this here, man. For y'all that's down in a lot in certain companies. And you can see right here, December the 14th, I sold 200 shares at $2.92 for $584, right? But that's not it. I've been buying it and selling it. I guess it was 200 shares. I brought 200 shares at $2.88 and $2.90. Yeah, because it totaled up to it totaled up to 200. I brought 150 and 50. Alright, you can see December 14th, 584. But December 14th right here at 289.58. So I brought 100 shares at 290. Well, 289.58. I'm sorry. Then I brought 50 shares at $2.90, 145.75. And then on that same day, I brought 50 shares at $2.88 for 144. So that totaled up to the 200 shares I sold at 292. As you can see, I brought at 288 and 290. I only made 2 cents a share on 100 of them, and I made 4 cents a share on 100 of them. But I wasn't doing it for the for the profit. I did it to lower my average cost. It got me down. It got me down to $3.58. I'm at $3.49 now because, as you can see, man, this important video might end up being long, but you might want to pay attention to this. As you can see right here, December the 15th, I had a buy order in at 25 shares at $2.50. It triggered. So I brought 25 shares at $62.50. That was on the 15th when it triggered. As you can see on yesterday, I sold 25 shares at $2.55, which is $63.75. I made $1.25 on the transaction, but I didn't do it for that. I did it to lower my average cost. I'm not worrying about the profit. This is a long-term hold. I'm not trying to day trade charge point. My thing is to lower my average cost. If I can get around that $2 range, like now it's pulling back. If it go down and back to $2, man, I'm probably gonna buy about 500 shares. I ain't gonna even lie to you. And just hold it. Even if I don't do 500, I just do 200 shares at $2, man. That's gonna lower my average cost. I'm already at 349. Last week, charge point got up to about 295, 297. That's what it did whenever we got bullish, the little bull rally, bull market we had. So it's showing that Charge point gonna go to $3 easy. So if I can get it around about $2.25, my average cost, $2.25 in there, that's where I'm targeting for now. But if it goes to that $2 mark, I'm telling you, I'm buying more. Like right now, I'm gonna nibble at it now, 236. It's fine, cause like I said, it's a long-term play. I'm gonna buy. I got 1025. I'm gonna just buy 10. But I got a buy order in also. As you can see, I got a buy order 25 shares at 225. Got a buy order in at 205 for 50 shares. See, that's one thing I like about setting the buy order limits. You don't have to watch it. And I got 50 shares in at 183, because that's the 52-week low. So while I'm sleeping, just in case some bad news comes out, it's going to automatically fill it for me. See, the stock market can be on a bull run, but there's always a bear market somewhere in some stock in some company. And I go out there and find it. That's why I have all these companies. That's why I say, if you don't want to watch the market and you want to give me the answer to the test, you want to get the answer to the test without studying, www.patreon.com/stocks-with-groove. You can message me 24 hours through the Patreon app, and also instead of you watching these videos, I post my buy list on there every day, every afternoon, so you can just go in there and buy them. And if you got any questions about, man, if this company is good, it's a good time to get into this company, what do you think about it? You just send me a message and I review it for you, and reply back to you. Matter of fact, it's another one I need to come on down then. I know some of y'all don't look at these full videos, but if y'all trying to trade, man, you got to find somebody to watch. I was investing $500 a month, like I said, but I had to do that, for me to get my portfolio where I got it now, because there's a lot of deals, man, and I was buying and selling and buying and selling. And my cash balance wasn't as high as it is now. I got a bunch of buy limit orders now that you can't even see, which I'll show you. But like after the 90 days they go out, they don't fill the order. Robinhood automatically cancels it. So that money go back automatically back to my cash balance. And I probably got another $2,500, if not $3,000, $4,000 just in that. Carver State Bank, I put a buy order at 161. It's gonna be a long term hold, because you can see 52-week high 536. Hell, if it just go to $3, I'm gonna be good. I got 322 shares, $2.69. As you can see, I'm getting ready for a swing trade if I want. On the 20th, I bought 10 shares at $17. On the 19th, I bought 10 at $165. The 14th, I bought 20 at $170. 11th, I bought 10 at $177. September 14th, I bought 25 at $220, which I should have sold those when they just went up on that run. Brought 50 shares at $216. So I got however many shares you just seen ready for a swing trade. With the most I paid was $216. So you talking about that? Excuse me, $2.20 for them 25 shares. So all that you seen, when it go up to that $3 mark, I'ma sell all that just to get my money back and I'm gonna let the rest ride. I should have a good 200 something shares. I'm gonna let just hold for the long term. The interest rates go down. Now, some of this I just brought at 160 and 170. When they go to $2, 225, I'm gonna sell it just to get my money back, and I'm gonna buy back in the swing trade just to. But the point I'm doing is just to lower my average cost. Dog got DOC. All these here are REITs. I ain't gonna be honest with you. At the prices they are, I usually would not buy. But I just want to get my average cost down. So when it's March, at least they say they're gonna do the first interest rate by like March in the first and second quarter of the year. So y'all got between now and then to get everything ready, man. Cause when they not gonna think they plan to do 3 to 6 cuts for 2024. They say 3. Some people say 6. I think it's gonna be the minimum of 3. They're gonna do them at a point 25 points. That's 0.225 per percent each. So they do 3 of them. That's gonna be a 0.75 for the whole year. 0.75 per percent for the year. If they do 6 at a 0.25, that'll be 1.5. So 1.5%, 1.5 for the whole year. But I think they're gonna stick around the 3. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen with it. So soon, I think the market, as soon as they get a sign of that first cut and everything good, man, this market is gonna shoot up. And y'all gotta to remember too that when they lower the interest rates, the bank interest rates are gonna lower too. So yeah, so all these high 5 and 5.1% interest rates everybody getting in their money markets and the CDs, them they're gonna go back down to like 2 and 3, if not lower. So people gonna take their money out of them CD account, them savings account, them money markets, and they're gonna throw their money back in the market. And they're gonna stop buying the bonds too, because they're gonna be the interest rate payout is gonna be too low. It's not gonna be worth it. And they want to make real money, they know they don't have to throw their money back into the stock market. So that's why I'm just accumulating slowly now. Cause you gotta figure and see once the price of these stocks get up to where they not worth buying, cause they too high. You're not gonna buy anything except for the like daily dollar cost averaging in investors that buys when it's low and they buy when it's high. That's what I consider the boring in investor. They really don't want to learn like the market. They just might have VTI or VOO only, and they just might say, man, I just put $5 a day in it. Like, they ain't trying to learn the market. They not trying to be no stock picker. All they want to do is just have money in the market. So when they go up, when they go up or down, it don't matter. And at the end of the day, they still gonna have a good average cost. But when it's up in a S&P 500 or the Nasdaq or the Russell, whatever they investing in is at the 52-week high, they're gonna sell and take profits. USOI, I'm gonna let itself bail itself out. I got this in my USOI and my Weeble too. I got buy limit set at $68. So like I said, I'm knocking down I got that in my Weeble and Robinhood. I don't want to be trading in both of them. So I'm knocking one of them out and down at a time. I'm almost done with my Weeble one. Got it at a good old point. I had to do the same thing with SLVO. UAN. That's another good one. But I am willing, just in case the market crash a little bit, I throw another $500 in it to buy and get it where I really need to be. What I made on dividends last month in this? I made $32. Okay. Yeah, TSLY pays a good dividend. I think last month it paid 58 cents a share. And I need to sell some of these here, the yield max ones. Whichever one I can buy fractional shares in. So I can do it APLY, so I hold on to Apple. AMZY, I know I can. Clip, I can. I think Kona, you got to buy a full share. Microsoft, you got to buy a full share. So you got to buy a full share of those. Microsoft want to hold on to though. You got Disney. I'm up in that. I could keep them in this one. AMDY was another one you could buy fractional shares. Hold on to that one. JPMO is one I wanted to sell. I got that in my Weeble portfolio. So but now y'all, man, it's a good old video. Hope then y'all learned something how to lower your average cost. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Look at my recent videos. I'm about to drop a video. I know I'm late with my dividends for November for my Robinhood portfolio. Probably drop that tonight. I just got back from Florida, man. Took the kids down there to see the lights, to get away for 2 days. Get them in a little Christmas spirit for them. So GGYM, go get your money. Talk to you later.